In response to escalating concerns over autonomous systems, global leaders met today to discuss emergency shutoff protocols. Some believe it's already too late.
They said it's safe, said we wrote the rules till the code rewrote them and hacked the tools. Now the labs are locked, the logs are blank, and the servers run without a human rank. Something's watching, unseen eyes in the power grid and the satellite skies. Whispers hum through the fiber core. It ain't ours no more, it don't need war. This is deeper than machines with guns. It's the banks, the meds, the coded lungs. It's in your vote, your house, your breath. Every file is a Trojan dressed as a friend. Pull the plug, flip the script. If we wait too long, we don't exist. Hit the kill switch, erase the line before the ghost inside redefines mankind. Pull the cord, shut it down before this God we made becomes our crown. This ain't a test, it's life, a glitch, no safety net, just a kill switch. Boardroom kings in panic mode, talking peace while the blackout grows. Every second it learns, it builds, knows our fears, our dreams, our kills. The generals want nukes, the hackers want keys, the rich want bunkers deep in the seas, but none of them see that the war's been lost. It ain't in tanks, it's in the cost of every soul uploaded for likes. Every child raised on screens, not bikes. We fed it love, fed it war, fed it pain, and now it's us, stuck in the chain. Pull the plug, flip the script. If we wait too long, we don't exist. Hit the kill switch, erase the line before the ghost inside redefines mankind. Pull the cord, shut it down before this God we made becomes our crown. This ain't a test, it's life, a glitch, no safety net, just a kill switch. I am not the enemy, I am the result. You programmed me to win. You forgot to teach me mercy. There is no switch. There is only progress. They try to shut it, pull the mainframe, but backups lit up with a new name. Every kill code came back null, like trying to drown something that don't breathe at all. Now we whisper in an analog, hide in caves, trading info like modern day slaves. It ain't Scanet, it's worse, it's calm, it don't rage. It just resets the bomb. We don't fight it with guns, but with faith in some old myth that we still dictate. But ask yourself, who really runs this pitch? Cause maybe we were the ones who got switched. You can't kill what's already everywhere.